Good morning, students. Today, after 2 days holiday, I am going to teach you the story entitled Footprints Without Feet from the book of 10th class resolution. Dear students, it is very interesting story, and in this story we are going to read about an eccentric scientist named Griffin. And as all of us know that scientific powers must be used for the benefits of mankind. We know very well, but some scientists, some persons use their power in negativity. In this story, the scientist Griffin discovered a medicine, and you can say a kind of mixture. It was very powerful mixture, but he began to use that for his own benefits. All of us know that scientists discover new things for the sake of mankind, for the benefits of mankind. But in this story, the scientist Griffin discovered that mixture, that medicine, and the mixture had power in it. It had power to transparent a human body. So in the beginning of the story, the eccentric scientist set his landlord's house on fire. अपने मालिक के घर में आग लगा दी, because the landlord wanted that he must vacate their house, and he did not want to do so, and in anger he set his landlord's house on fire and used that mixture. As a result of that, his body became transparent and he disappeared from the place. After that, he entered in a landlord's inn. सराय में चला जाता है. The innkeeper lived there with his family, and he used to provide rooms on rent. Mrs. Hall, the innkeeper's wife, the landlady, provided him a room, and As he rented, as he took the room on rent in that inn, he wished, he told the landlady that he wanted isolation. He wanted to remain alone mostly. But as he had lack of money, the scientist had lack of money, he, after a day or two, he entered a clergyman's study room in the same inn and stole money from his drawer. The clergyman was present in his room with his wife. Although they felt that there was someone present in their room, but they did not see anybody. They heard the noise of clinging the coins, but they did not see anybody. They were in suspense, and the scientists stole money from their room, drawer of their room, and after some time, after 2 or 3 days, it so happened that Mrs. Hall, the landlady one day saw that the room of the scientist was open. Door was open, and she saw nobody inside, and besides she heard some movements, some noises in the room. She became suspected. By this time, the news of burglary, thefts spread throughout the village, and Mrs. Hall called the policeman. And in the end of the story, Jafar, the policeman, was called out, and he tried to arrest the scientist, but he became unconscious in struggle while arresting him. And in the end of the story, while the scientist threw out the bandages or a few clothes he was wearing, Mrs. Hall, terrified, and she began to scream with fright, and in the end of the story, the scientist Griffin was able to escape. So, dear children, have you ever seen the movie entitled Mr. India? In that movie, I have seen that movie, and the theme of the story and that movie is same. In that movie, the hero of the story had power to disappear by the same method. And in that movie, I have seen that the hero, whenever any trouble comes, the hero disappears by his power, and everyone becomes suspicious No one knows that what the matter was. So dear children, as I have told you that the theme of the film, the movie Mr. India, and the story Footprints Without Feet is same. You must have seen that film. नहीं देखी तो कभी देख लेना. And you have to read the story that what happens with the scientist and how does he use his mixture, his medicine negatively. The moral of the story is that scientific powers must be used positively for the sake, for the benefits of mankind, not for harm of mankind. जो भी कोई साइंटिफिक शक्ति है वो मानवता की भलाई के लिए यूज़ करनी चाहिए, न कि नुकसान के लिए. बिकॉज every power, every scientific power has two ways, दो तरीके, two uses. It can be used, नेगेटिव यूज भी होते हैं, पॉजिटिव यूज भी होते हैं. तो वी मस्ट यूज आवर पावर्स फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ मैनकाइंड. तो इन दिस स्टोरी you have to read the story and you have to answer these questions. You have to write and learn these questions. It is a very simple story. First question है, why were the two boys surprised? So during this story, while you read this story, we come across an incident that two boys were going through the village street and they were very surprised that when they saw footprints on a muddy road, fresh footprints on a muddy road, on a muddy street, while there was nobody all around nearby. Seeing those footprints, the two boys were very surprised that what the matter was, and that is why the title of the story is Footprints Without Feet. So the answer to the question is the two boys were surprised when they saw the footprints, fresh footprints on the muddy road, while there was nobody all around, there was nobody nearby. Next है, how did the scientist become invisible? So it is very clear. This is the story. यही है कहानी. The scientist became invisible as he used the mixture invented by him. His body became transparent. उसका invisible भी कह सकते हैं, invisible हो जाता था. He और as he drank that mixture, used that mixture, he became disappear. गायब हो जाता था. This was the negative effect of that particular kind of mixture. Next, why did Griffin set fire to the house of the first landlord? As in the beginning of the story, we have read that his first landlord tempted him to vacate the house at once and he did not want to do so, and he became angry and set his landlord's house on fire. Next है, why did Mrs. Hall think that her guest was an eccentric person? When Griffin went to Mrs. Hall and wanted to have a room on rent, he wished that he wanted to live alone in isolation, and he always remained alone in his room. And so Mrs. Hall or the landlady thought that her guest was an eccentric person. क्योंकि एसेंट्रिक ही वो ही अकेले रहना इस तरह से पसंद करते हैं, उनमें कोई विशेष क्वालिटी होती है, बाकी तो आदमी घुल मिल के रहना चाहिएगा. तो वेरी सिंपल, व्हाट हैपन्स इन द क्लेर्जीमैन्स स्टडी. तो एज वी हैव रीड इन द स्टोरी दैट ए क्लेर्जीमैन also lived in that inn of Mrs. Hall, and one night when the pair was in the room, the scientist Griffin broke into their house to steal. Although they heard the noise of clinking the coins, सिक्कों के खनखनाने की आवाज़ सुनी, but they saw none in the room. Or you can say that they were not able to see anybody in the room. So the incident I have told you happened in clergyman's study room. Why did Mrs. Hall fall down in hysterics? So it happens in the end of the story when the news of the burglary या incidents of theft separate down in the whole village, and Mrs. Hall called the policeman. The scientist began to throw the bandages which he had worn around his head and hands. As a result of that, Mrs. Hall, frightened, डर गई and fell down in hysterics. Hysterics means बेहोशी आकर उसको हो गई, क्योंकि वो उसकी आकृति से डर गई कि भी क्या है, who is the fellow. मतलब they took him a ghost, as a ghost, and it may happens with every one of us when we see such kinds of men before us. Next है, why did Griffin become furious? तो Griffin became furious. क्यों फ्यूरियस हो गया? When in the end of the story, when everybody became suspicious about him and he had nothing to eat or use, he became furious. Furious means anger. भाई किसी आदमी के पीछे सारी दुनिया हो जाएगी तो वो क्या होगा? फ्यूरियस होगा, खूंखार हो जाएगा. किसी भी जानवर को, किसी भी आदमी को जब पूरी दुनिया पूरा उसके पीछे पड़ जाती है तो एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ दैट ही बिकम्स फ्यूरियस. तो यू हैव टू राइट द करेक्ट सेंटेंस इन द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हाई वाज द साइंटिस्ट वॉन्डरिंग द स्ट्रीट्स? क्यों घूम रहा था? द साइंटिस्ट वॉज वॉन्डरिंग इन द स्ट्रीट्स because he had left his room and the nights were very cold in London. So he was wandering in the streets in search of shelter. Clear? What did Griffin do in the theatrical company? So in the story you will read that just after leaving his room, landlord's house, which he had set fire, after leaving his room, just after leaving his room, he entered a theatrical company and there he wrapped bandages around his head and nose and hands. To avoid cold. Because in the beginning of the story we have read that he was able to disappear while in naked condition. नग्न अवस्था में ही वो ऐसा हो सकता था. कपड़े पहने हुए हों तो the mixture didn't have any effect on his body. While he had to put off his clothes and use that mixture, and after that he was able to disappear, otherwise not. So he had no clothes on his body and he had left the house of his landlord, and after that he entered a theatrical company and he wrapped bandages around his head and hands and body to avoid the cold night. Why did Griffin leave London? बिल्कुल है. Griffin left London because it was a very cold city and main बात ये थी कि he wanted to save himself from the bitter cold. Why were the clergyman and his wife surprised? So we have read in the story that the clergyman and his wife were surprised because they heard the movements and jingling or clinging of money inside their room while they saw nothing. They saw nobody in the room and they were surprised. भाई हम किसी को कोई मोमेंट सुनेंगे तो we will expect to see someone or something in the room, but they saw nothing and as a result they were very surprised. What happened when Mrs. Jaffer tried to get hold the scientist? So this is the end of the story, that when in the end of the story policeman Mr. Jaffer tried to arrest the thief, the scientist, he became furious and he threw the bandages from his head and Jafar tried to get hold the scientist. What happened when Mr. Jafar tried to get hold the, जब उसने पकड़ने का प्रयत्न किया तो क्या हुआ? When Mr. Jafar tried to get hold or arrest the scientist, he threw the bandages from his head and he saw, the policeman saw the safe without head before him. तो Jafar became unconscious and Mrs. Hall tried to scream with fright. And everyone, in the end of the story, you will read that everybody was surprised to see such a strange shape before them. तो प्रिय बच्चों, I have told you the story of the eccentric scientist Griffon, who invented a particular kind of mixture, but who used it negative, नकारात्मक प्रयोग किया. He must have used for the sake of mankind, for the good of mankind, for the benefit of mankind. But he invented the mixture, and due to his invention, he had to suffer a lot. उसे बहुत पीड़ित होना पड़ा. He had to go through a lot of difficulties, and the story does not tell us that his suffering came to an end. उसकी यातनाएं समाप्त हो गई, ये भी इसमें नहीं बताया गया है. तो the moral of the story is that one must use his invention or anything for the good of mankind, for the benefits of mankind, not like scientist Griffon, who used his invention, his medical mixture negatively. प्रिय बच्चों, मैंने आपको कहानी बताई, and I hope you will write these questions in your answer book and learn them. तब के लिए I hope you are studying well. आप घर पर रह रहे हैं, आप अच्छी तरह से वर्क कर रहे हैं. आपको अच्छे बच्चों को ज़्यादा कहने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, और you are using your time fully.